Let us revise some important questions of matrices.
Matrix. A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers arranged in rows and columns. Arranged in rows and columns. Okay. A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers arranged in rows and columns. The number written in the matrix, each are called as elements. Okay. The numbers which are written in the matrix are called elements of the matrix. The horizontal lines are called rows and the vertical lines are called columns. Order of the matrix. Second part is order of the matrix. Order of the matrix is equal to number of rows by number of columns. Okay. Order of the matrix is number of rows by number of columns. So what is the order of this matrix? How many rows are there? 1, 2. So 2 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2. So 2 columns. What is the order of this matrix? 2 by 2. Okay. Types of matrices. Row matrix. It has only one row. Row matrix. Column matrix. It has only one column. Okay. Then square matrix. Number of rows equal to number of columns. Number of rows equal to number of columns. So A, B, C, D. How many rows? 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. Okay. How many rows? That many columns will be there. Square matrix. Number of rows equal to number of columns. Then rectangular matrix. Number of rows not equal to number of columns. Number of rows not equal to number of columns. P, Q, R, S, T, U. Okay, here you see 2 rows but 3 columns. So number of rows not equal to number of columns. That is rectangular matrix. Row matrix, only one row will be there. Column matrix, only one column will be there. Square matrix, number of rows equal to number of columns. Rectangular matrix, number of rows not equal to number of columns. Okay. Then diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. It's a square matrix. But only in the diagonal you can find the numbers. Remaining all others are equal to 0. 2, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 7. Okay. diagonal matrix. Only the diagonals, you can see the numbers. The remaining other elements are equal to 0. This is the diagonal matrix. And the other two matrices are very, very important. What are they? Null matrix and unit or identity matrix. So, if the diagonal values 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, if the diagonals values are there, no, that is equal to 1, that is unit matrix. Okay, unit matrix is the matrix which has one as a element. The element is equal to 1, and that one you will find out in the diagonals. What is unit matrix? Unit matrix is a diagonal matrix in which each element in the diagonal is equal to 1. And if it is null matrix, this is unit matrix. Okay. Then null matrix, null matrix. All the elements are equal to 0. Clear? Each element is equal to 0. That is null matrix. These are the types of matrices. Then transpose of matrix. Row will become a column. Column will become a row. See, 0, 3, 2, 5. This is the matrix A. And T means A, that is transpose of matrix A. Rows, this is a row, no, will write as a column. Okay, rows will become a column. Clear? And column will become a rows. Additive inverse. A matrix will become minus A. Clear? So 0, 3, 2, 5 and additive inverse of A will become 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5. Okay? Addition and for subtraction. For addition and for subtraction, the order of the matrices should be same. Then we can add it. Okay. For adding two matrices, we have to see the order of the matrix. Okay. So, the first one is 2 by 2. Second one should be 2 by 2. Then we can add it. Or you want to do subtraction, then if these two matrices orders are same, then we can do the subtraction. Clear? For addition and for subtraction, what we have to see, if the order of the matrices are same, we can add it, we can subtract it. Okay? Now, what is the sign in between these two matrices? Between these two matrices, what is the symbol is given? Equal. So, if you want to compare it or you want to find out the equality, then order of the matrix should be same and then corresponding elements of both the matrices are equal. See, 2, 3, 1, 5 and this one also 2, 3, 1, 5. Then we can apply equality. Okay. Equality of matrices. Clear? Multiple of matrices. Multiple of matrices. For multiple of matrices, two matrices, we have to multiply and you will get the answer. So how order of the matrix? First one is A by B. Second one should be B by C. Then answer A by C. This is the most important rule. Okay, that is number of columns of the first matrix, number of columns of the first matrix equal to number of rows of the second matrix. When multiple is possible? Multiple is possible when number of columns of the first matrix, equal to number of rows of the second matrix. Clear? Then we can multiply. So these two are same, we can multiply. So what will be the answer? Answer order will be the remaining. A and C are left, no? That will be the order for the answer. Okay. So because it is very important, they will ask you to find out the order of the matrix and also matrix. So if you know this basic rule, then we can get the order of the matrix as well as matrix. Clear? Okay. First question. Find the values of x and y. If find the values of x and y if matrix 3x 8, matrix 1 4 3 7 minus 3 into matrix 2 minus 7 is equal to 5 into matrix 3 into 2y. Okay. So first we have to multiply these two. So multiply 3x into 1 plus 8 into 3. Okay, only one row, first column. And then first row, second column. So here 3x into 4 plus 8 into 7. Okay. 3x into 1 plus 8 into 3, 3x into 4 plus 8 into 7 minus 3 2s are 6, then 3 7s are 21 minus 21 is equal to 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10y. Okay. Then 3x plus 24, then 12x plus 8 7s are 56 minus 6 minus 21 is equal to 15 10y. Now we have to 3x plus 24 minus then 12x plus 56 minus into minus plus 21 is equal to 15 and 10y. Okay. Now compare it. 3x 24 minus 6 you will get 18 is equal to 15 and then 12x plus 77 is equal to 10y. Okay, this one compare with the first one, compare with first one, second one compare with second one. Now write 3x is equal to 15 minus 18 3x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 1. Now put x is equal to minus 1. Okay, put x is equal to minus 1 and you write 12 into minus 1 plus 77 is equal to 10y. Then minus 12 plus 77. So 7 minus 2, 5. Then 7 minus 1, 6. Okay, is equal to 10y. Then y is equal to 6.5. Answer. So x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 6.5.